What's going on, you guys? It's VJ of UGATech, and having a monitor for your work from home setup is truly great for enhancing productivity by having some more screen real estate to work around with. But what if you need to go to a cafe or travel to another place for work? You wouldn't exactly be able to carry it around now, would you? Well, there's a solution, and it's portable monitors. Portable monitors are great for working in cafes or co-working spaces when you need that extra display to multitask with. It's also a great investment if you're someone who moves around a lot for work, like say a digital nomad, as you can easily store them in your backpack. But they're not all for work though. You can even use your portable monitor for something like gaming, like with Nintendo Switch or other consoles. You can even hook it up to either Samsung DeX or Huawei's desktop mode to have a little PC setup on the go for both work and entertainment. And so we've gathered a short list of 15.6-inch Full HD portable monitors you can buy for just under 10,000 pesos here in the Philippines. Wistino is one of the more commonly known brands when it comes to portable monitors. Its BK-SCR 15.6 portable monitor comes in at just 8,999 pesos and carry a variety of ports such as USB-C, micro USB, and mini HDMI. The only slight downside really is that it doesn't come with a built-in battery, so you're gonna have to be sure to keep it plugged at all times. The G-Story GSW56FM comes in at just 8,995 pesos, and with that, you get a 15.6-inch Full HD display with ports including USB-C, mini HDMI, micro USB, and even a 3.5mm audio jack. It even has a built-in kickstand to help you prop it up. Truly handy. Like the previous model mentioned, the Viewplus 15.6 has a Full HD IPS display. It also can connect via USB-C, mini HDMI, and micro USB, and even has a 3.5mm audio jack when you need it. It also has a built-in kickstand that eliminates the need for a separate folio or stand. The Viewplus 15.6 retails for just 7,850 pesos. The COTIN V15, like the others on this list, has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with USB-C, mini HDMI, and micro USB ports. The best part of the COTIN V15 though is that its display is actually touchscreen, which is pretty handy at times when you just want to tap instead of dragging your cursor around. The cherry on top is that it has both built-in speakers and a built-in battery so that it can power itself and even charge other devices. The COTIN V15 is priced at 9,949 pesos and even comes with a cover that doubles as a stand. The UPERFECT 15.6 is claimed to have an HDR 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. It also has a USB-C and mini HDMI port for connectivity. To listen to your favorite tunes, you can either use its built-in speakers or its 3.5mm audio jack if you're in a quiet area. The UPERFECT 15.6 goes for 9,658 pesos and comes with an included cover stand. The ZSCMALL 15.6, like the COTIN V15, comes with a touchscreen 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel. It also has USB-C, mini HDMI, and micro USB for connectivity, and built-in speakers for the added benefit. The ZSCMALL 15.6 comes in at just 9,099 pesos and comes with its own cover stand. So there you have it. These are some of our favorite 15.6-inch portable monitors under 10,000 pesos. Which one are you considering on getting? Do you have any other recommendations? Let us know by leaving a comment down below. If you like this video, be sure to smash that like button cause we truly appreciate your support, and also stay updated with any content we post by clicking that notification bell. And don't forget to follow UGATech in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, and be sure to also visit ugatech.com for more of your favorite tech news and reviews. Again, this is VJ of UGATech. Have a good one.